Azine samga laklen neme. Azine wiwang. Azine song. Azine lampile. Azine song. Azine này con. Azine bông. Azine làm gì vậy? Azine number ấy lẹ. Azine này răng lẹ. Azine kia gì ngà lẹ.
Răng chi biết?
Azine sampung lẹ. Ini misalnya.
Okay.
Ingat. Dia. Hogan milieu. Ichie lah. Kira tila. Dua tila. Ichie bang lah. Tracy. Ini problem. Ini kafe dia. Akan beri apa? Ini kolam tan. Sanjay. Ini kolam. Ini isi. Asal dia bungsu.
Gì râm luôn xăm vào con này thế này hay gì nên nằm đây luôn đồ sơn Jeremiah sơn history there Robert and me
Let our hearts be led by mercy. Help us reach with open hearts and open doors. Oh Jesus, friend of sinners, break our hearts for what breaks yours. You love every lost cause. You reach for the outcast.
When you come to think that point of vision, you should know it. So, if you believe, if you consider God, Jesus as your personal Savior, if you have received Christ as your personal Savior, be an imitator in that time.
So if you have any of the problems, if you have any difficulty in your life today, just compare that difficulty, that problems with the suffering of Jesus today. Compare with Jesus. And if that is beyond the suffering of Jesus, you can complain. You have the right to complain if your problems is more than that of Jesus' suffering. Let us not just be the one who participate. Let us not just be the one who know the story. Let us not just be the one who comes along with our friends, but let us be the one who believe in it. Just knowing is nothing for us today. Just knowing the story of Jesus' sacrifice is nothing. Just knowing the story of Easter is nothing, but believe in Him. Be into action. That's what God requires from us today.
Jesus, friend of sinners, open our eyes to the world at the end of our pointing fingers. Let our hearts be led by mercy. Help us reach with open hearts and open doors. Oh Jesus, friend of sinners, break our hearts for what breaks yours. When I was the lost cause,